Hello everyone, welcome to Journey with Data. This channel is all about providing you with the relevant resources and knowledge in order to upskill in this world of data. Well, I have an interesting topic for you today. I'll share how I cleared the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam, the resources I used in this process, so that if you're also planning to continue on the same journey, it can be of help. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. So, first, let's talk about the exam itself. AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner is an entry level exam which is designed for individuals with no prior cloud experience. It offers a foundational understanding of AWS cloud concepts, services, the cost economics, AWS shared responsibility model, and various other topics. So, if you're planning for an advanced level certification but you don't have any prior experience with cloud, I would recommend you to go through the cloud practitioner exam first because this will help you develop a foundation or your basics. Now, about the exam, it's a 90-minute exam. The price is 100 USD, and there are total 65 questions with either multiple choice or multiple response questions. So, to register for the exam, you need to create an account on AWS Training and Certification portal. Click on Schedule a new exam, and after you're all set, choose a suitable date and get going. So now, since you've had an understanding of the exam pattern, let's move on to the resources I used throughout this process. So step number one, I went to the official AWS website, downloaded the exam guide, and analyzed it properly. So there are four domains in the total exam pattern. Highest is dominated by technology, which is 33%, then cloud concepts, security and compliance, billing and pricing. And the subdomains are also detailed in the syllabus. So, after a thorough analysis of this syllabus, I took advantage of the AWS resources, the free AWS resources. I utilized the AWS digital training, which covers a broad range of topics from AWS services to the AWS architecture framework, cost, billing and pricing, and so on. And post this, I also utilized the AWS certified study guide, which is provided by Ben Piper. So, this comprehensive study guide reinforces your learning. How? So, this study guide provides a detailed understanding, a detailed explanation of each and every concept, and also has review questions and exercises in the end to further your understanding and learning. So, this was one such book. I had it in PDF. So, this was one such book I referred throughout this process. So, to get clarity on certain topics, I referred to the official AWS documentation. If you look here, and as a tip, I would recommend you to focus more on the AWS shared responsibility model, meaning the responsibilities which are shared by AWS or by the customers. So, focus more on that, and also focus more on the billing and pricing and the overall AWS well architecture framework. So, to test my knowledge and exam readiness, I completed various practice tests, such as the set of sample questions from AWS, or maybe the set of practice tests from Wiz Labs, and then this one in particular offered by Udemy. Now, a wonderful part about this particular course from Udemy is it is a set of six practice tests with detailed explanations of each and every concept. I think I must have completed these practice tests multiple times, building my confidence and identifying the areas which needed improvement. So this is a simple exam, and guess what? By following these steps, I managed to pass the exam in a single attempt, and I received my well-deserved AWS badge few days after the completion of the exam. And this is a rewarding exam. You also get the access to the AWS certified global community and the discount, a 50% discount on your next exam. But then consistency is the key. So I hope my journey and the resources will help you in some way or the other in succeeding throughout this exam. So keep exploring, keep learning, and let your data driven ambitions soar. Feel free to subscribe to Journey with Data. Thank you so much.